Hi, everybody. This is Loveline Bassi. So, we are almost at the end of 2025, and at this point, people are really digging into that New Year resolution. And I want to just encourage you that before you write your New Year resolution, that you actually have a current year review. Now, many people will tell you, I'm so done with 2025. Can I just get into 2026? I just don't want anything from 2025 and all of that. But at the same time, if you don't review why you are done with 2025, guess what? At the end of 2026, you will still be saying the same thing. Now, I want you to think of something. The past few years, have you always said at the end of the year, oh, I'm so done with this year. Can I just get into the new year? Have you found yourself saying that? Now, to break out of that cycle, you need to really sit with yourself and ask yourself the question, why am I so done with this year?